Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Premier Investor. So today we will learn all about assets. What is assets? Assets is a thing which we can earn money now or in future. So now we will know about types of assets. Asset divides by three parts. First, convertible assets. Second, physical existence of assets. Third, usage of assets. So firstly, we will talk about convertible assets. Convertible assets divides by two parts: current assets, non-current assets. What is current assets and non-current assets? Current assets are accepted to be converted to cash within a 1 year, like cash, account receivables, inventory, securities. What is non-current assets? Non-current assets are considered long-term assets where they are full until at least 1 year. Example: investment, intellectual property, real estate, equipments. Second part is physical existence of assets. This is divides in two parts: tangible asset, intangible asset. What is tangible assets? Tangible assets is something a person can see, feel, or touch. Thus, they have physical existence. Example: land, machinery, cash, furniture, inventory, securities. Intangible assets. What is intangible assets? Intangible assets is something a person can see, feel, or touch. Thus, they don't have any physical existence. Example: goodwill, brand recognition, and intellectual property securities like patent, trademark, bond, copyright. So, third part is usage of assets. This is divides in two parts: operating asset, non-operating asset. Operating assets are cash, prepaid, expense, inventory, securities, fixed asset. Non-operating assets are investment, intellectual property, real estate, and equipments. There was all about of assets. And now I'm going to tell you most important thing that you can create passive income from use to asset and making a more money of that. Isn't it? So guys, that's enough for today. We will meet again with new information. Thanks for watching.